This is not a recommended fit for the 2009 through 2019 Toyota 4Runner with factory installed side rails with factory crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Motion XT XL rooftop cargo box. This is a 16 cubic foot cargo box. This is not a fit due to the very low clearance. However, there is no interference or contact with the rear antenna or fully opened rear hatch, and there is no contact with the mounting hardware against the roof. However, these bars do flex, and there is only approximately a 1/4 inch of clearance, which could create contact when the box is fully loaded. The box is rated up to 165 pounds. The bars are rated to 150 pounds. The box itself weighs in at 42 pounds and measures 77 inches in length, 36 inches in width, and 17 inches high above the crossbars. Again, this is not a recommended fit. However, this video demonstrates the reason for the fit due to the low clearances. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.